Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Tuwang vlog starring Pabibe and Pabibe. Hey, baby Nitro. Hey, what's up, ha? What's up? What's up sa imo diha? Ngayong araw, Dwaine fam, we are having a picnic dun sa park na malapit sa bahay namin. So magpipicnic kami. Ito po ang pinakaunang picnic ni baby Nitro. Hey, yes baby. Excited ka ba, baby? Labas tayo, ha? Yes? Excited ka ba? Ha?
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
So, bago tayo umalis, syempre, kailangan i-prepare namin yung pagkain. I-prepare ni Mami Shanta ang pagkain namin. Diba, Shan? What are you making?
Picnic na wala kita pa.
Uy, nagpagkaan dito.
Oh, it was small. I didn't even see it. Where
Ay,
did you
expired na pala yung bread namin.
Where did you
Why are we still here?
put this? I never saw this.
This was in the pantry the whole time.
I didn't see it.
Nitro, anong ginagawa mo dyan, ha? Pinasaway ka na naman. Ano? Okay, dahil expired na yung bread namin, sayang all. Sayang all. Kakainis, no?
Picnic na very ready.
Oo nga eh.
So,
We're going to have up and go. Di ba, Shan?
anong klaseng picnic to? May dalawang...
Up and go is an Australian drink. Para siyang ano yung chocolate milk sa Pilipinas. Nakalimutan ko na. Chocolate milk sa Pilipinas. Yum something? Yummy, yum... ano yun?
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Ayan. Chucky. Chucky pala yung chocolate milk sa Pilipinas. Chucky. Para siyang Australian Chucky. Itong up and go na to. Ayun. Pero banana flavor. Nitro, what are you doing, baby? Anong ginagawa mo dyan, baby? Ha? Uy. Oh, you want to play the accordion, do you? You want to play the accordion, ha? May mga nagka-comment na nawala niya yung Australian accent ko. It's weird kasi kung nagtatagalog ako and then biglang nag-i-English ako, nagkaroon ako ng Pinoy accent sa English. Santa, what are you doing? You don't need to shave the celery. It's fine.
Hindi,
Just wash it.
ko lang yung
Bakit?
ends.
You just wash it and then
Because
okay na
look at the
siya.
ends.
We're also bringing strawberries. We're bringing brownies. Brownie ba to? Ano to?
Parang cake. Cake.
Kala ko tae. Oh, yun. Celery din na may peanut butter. And my baby din! Yay! So we're going on a little walk to the park. Alam nyo, gusto ko bumili ng bicycle. Bicycle sa waray. Bicycle sa Tagalog. We want to get bicycles so we can go bike riding around the neighborhood here. Kasi maraming park na pwede mag-biking, bike riding. At saka, ano problema? Ano problema? Ha? Ano problema? Hindi ka ba nagreklamo? Hinampas mo yung camera. Bakit hinampas mo? Ha? Oh! Yeah, I want to buy a bike so we can go bike riding with Nitro. We can get like a baby seat that we can strap to the back of the bike para mag-bike riding. Ganun dapat siya, no? Let's go bike riding na. Sige na. Tara na.
Marunong ako mag-bike, pero hindi ako marunong mag-turn ng dito. Parang ako sa left. Parang feeling ko kasi mahulog ako pag
So yan ang plano namin for today. Mag-picnic tayo sa park. Weekend po ngayon, Saturday. Di ba, baby? Yes. Ang saya, no? Oh. What? You wanna play with the toys? You wanna play with the toys? Ha? Sige, kunin mo yung isa. Kunin mo na. Kunin mo yung isa. Uy. Kunin mo na. Yeah, you got it. Woohoo! Yay! The baby got it. Woohoo! It's an Australian koala. Yes.
So, bigay ito ng lola ni Nitro, si mama ni Dwaine. So,
Yes.
So, year of the rat kasi kami ni Nitro. Gagamitin na lang natin to sa, sa park, sabi ni Dwaine.
Anong laman yan?
Tingnan nyo.
Wow! Naga!
Maliit na. Hindi to pwede sa picnic. Maliit.
Oh, pwede na yan. Year of the rat. Kasi si Nitro at saka si Shanta.
Ano point niya?
Yes. Di ba? Yes, you are year of the rat. Because you're a little rat. Like Mami. Yatot itun.
I'm so rat.
Dako itun yatot.
My hair is so rat.
Alright, going to fam. Tara na. We're going to pick. Yes, I have the key. I have the key. Wait, do I? Yes, I have the key. I have the key. Okay, tara na. Sa park na tayo. Nitro is ready. Yes, he's got his sapatos on. Yes, nakasapatos ng baby. Tara na. Medyo malamig pa. Pero the sun will warm us up.
Malamig na malamig.
Hindi. Alright. Ito na ang park. Pasok na tayo sa park. Wow, baby Nitro. Nasa park na. Hey, baby boy. Hello, baby boy. Hello. May mga wild nga pato.
Kaibigan ni Nitro.
Mga bibe. It's a bibe. Hello, bibe. You're pointing at the ducks, Aya? You wanna see the ducks? Huh? You wanna see the ducks? Sige, punta tayo sa mga bibe na yan. Ayan, mga kaibigan mo. Oh, oh. Oh, yes, yes, mga bibe. Mga bibe, ano? Okay, Mami Shanta
Hi, Mom,
is putting down the
sorry.
blanket.
Hi, Mom. Sorry. Dwaine said to use your blanket. Blanket?
Huh? It's
Use your
ours.
towel.
It's ours nga. Ano ka ba?
Oh, akala ko kay Mom to.
Hindi, atin yan. She gave it to us.
Yeah, she gave it to us.
Yeah, for us.
That's for Nitro. Actually, it's for Nitro.
Nitro, how you doing, buddy? You ready to jump out and get on the grass, huh? Ready to jump out and explore the grass? Tara na. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Woo. All right, have a walk around, baby. Ready? Sit in the grass. Oh yeah, the grass. Oh, it's the grass. Woo. Dahil bago pa lang yung grass sa backyard namin, nga nagsisettle pa yung grass, so hindi pa ready to walk on or play on. So, Nitro can play on the grass dito na lang muna. Yes. Oh, it's the... Whee! Woo! Come on, walking, walking.
Wow, walking.
Walk, come
on, Nitro.
Walk in your shoes.
You can do it.
Walk in your shoes. Come on.
Woohoo.
Come on. Come on.
Walking.
Oh, you got the leaf. Oh, you sat down.
Is it yucky? Is it iwi? It's still sunny there, you know. Sun's still on the face.
Here we go. We're in the shade, baby. Yes. Nitro's excited para sa picnic, di ba? Excited para sa pagkain. Ano? Hey, baby. Mahangin, no? Oh, Nitro's having fun exploring in the park. Mami Shanta, should we get the pagkain out na?
Nag-ano pala, sana nag-ipit ako ng buhok.
Sayang all. Nitro, halika na dito. Wow, pagkain. Pagkain. Alright, nandito na tayo, Dwantro Fam, sa picnic mismo. The Dwantro picnic. Yes, maliit na picnic na humble. Humble picnic.
Healthy picnic.
Healthy, yes. O, tingnan mo, celery. Ay, yung peanut butter nakalimutan natin.
Hindi, nandito.
Ah, nandyan? Oh, you put it in there. Why did you put it in there?
Para hindi dalhin yung malaki.
Kalawad ka. Oh, wow, kinain niya yung celery. Masarap ba? Hindi masarap, no? Hindi masarap. Hindi daw masarap.
Hala, kinuha niya
Ah.
sila. Uy,
Ayaw niya.
Parehas na ito matanda.
Kinakuha niya yung iba't ibang celery. Try it in the peanut butter, see if he likes it.
Yeah, of course he loves it.
Nacho, you might like the peanut butter. Yes, you might like the peanut butter. Ready? You take the peanut butter, okay?
Ready?
Ready? Dip it in. Watch mommy.
Yum yum.
Oh yeah, that's better, isn't it? Yeah, that's better. Hey, mas masarap na, no? Oh, strawberry. You want a strawberry?
Yung stem yung kinain.
Basta mga healthy, ayaw ng bebing ito. Ayaw niya.
Hold it. You hold it.
Peanut butter na lang muna. Ano?
You hold
Sarap,
it.
no? Sarap, di ba, Bibi?
Here you go. You hold it. Oh, you hold it. Oh, you hold it. Here you go. You hold it. No, you hold it. Good boy.
Ayan. Kakainin mo na, Bibi. He's like, oh, it tastes good, but it doesn't. Confused. Nalilito siya. Andrew, what's that?
Oh, it's coming. Dwaine, behind us.
Oh, it's a bird.
It's behind you.
Huh?
Behind you. Food.
You want to eat the food? Nacho wants to say hello to the bird. Ano? Pupuntahan mo yung ibon? Ay, tumakbo. Tumakbo siya. Nacho is ambitious. Yes, he's not gonna give up until he gets that bird. Ay, lumipad. Nandito sa likod ko. He's going for it. He's going for it. Natakot sa iyo, bebe, Nitro. Natakot sa iyo. Yes, because you're so nakakatakot. Sabi ng ibon na yan, ayaw ko ng pabibe. Nitro! Hey! He's wondering where the bird went. Why did the bird fly away? Huh? Ano nangyari? Oh,
Kasi si Nitro nakakatakot.
look, Daddy eat. What's that? Brownie. Nitro has a sweet tooth. We're in trouble.
Kasi sino nagbigay ng matamis sa kanya ng sugar?
Ikaw. Yummy, no?
Dad,
Diba?
Dad, Mommy, you open it. Oh, ginawag ko to dahil. Oh, don't touch it. Oh, ayaw busa. Mahay pa.
So ito ang pinakaunang picnic ni Nacho. Yay! Yay! Maganda tong park na to. Walang tao. Diba? Very tahimik. Kahit nandun yung, yung highway. Tahimik dito. Mapayapaan.
Kita yung,
Mapayapaan. Mapayapa. Okay, Dwaine fam, maraming salamat sa panunood. Ang unang picnic ni Baby Nitro. Alam nyo guys, malapit na namin i-release yung app namin na PhilTalk. Yung philtalk.net, yun yung website namin. Gumawa kami ng website matagal pa, noon pa. Ngayon magiging app na siya, malapit na, philtalk.net. Punta kayo sa website na yan. Para siyang social media din para sa mga Filipino at sa mga foreigner na interesado sa Pilipinas. Okay guys, so check that out, philtalk.net. Kita-kits po sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now.